Greetings. In this video we're going to show you how to use the Display Link Manager to change the orientation of your physical displays virtually. It can be accessed by right-clicking on the Display Link Manager icon in the task tray and then clicking on Video Setup. You'll notice here I have maybe a right to left orientation, which means anything I drag, I can drag from screen 1 to screen 2, then on into screen 3. Notice none of my arrow effects take effect right here. If I identify my displays, you see it went from 1 to 2 to 3. Now if I wanted to change that, say for instance to do a vertical orientation, I put display 1 on top, display 3 on the bottom, hit apply, always hit apply, screens blink for a moment. Now I have an up and down orientation. And my arrow effects work fine from left to right. Now the beauty of this is you could do just about anything you'd want. Say for instance you want screen 1 to be just to the left of screen 2. So if this isn't too confusing, or say for instance you want screen 1 to be in the middle of your other two displays. Always hit apply. Now screen 1 is in the middle. And note my arrow effects for up and down still work. Now, one wonderful thing about this is all your Display Link Manager remembers from computer to computer or even dock to dock how you've oriented your displays. That's important in case you have no external displays at home or maybe just one external display. Everything will come back to those two displays or one display, whatever the case may be. It also works different computer to computer. So if I were to take this fine Dell machine out, that one was running Windows 7. I put in, say, my Lenovo X1 Carbon running Windows 8. Screens will flash for a moment while the Display Link drivers sync with the dock. And if I log into this account, you'll notice I have a different orientation, and that can be seen, say, whoops. That can be seen from the desktop. Again, right-click on the Display Link Manager, Video Setup, and here you can see I have a left to right orientation. And my arrow effects work for up and down. Here too, I could change how I have things oriented to match what I had on my Dell machine, if I wanted to. And this is not only true for the Windows operating systems, but also for MacBooks. Now you may find when you move to a Macintosh operating system or back to a Windows operating system, it takes a little longer than normal to dock. The reason is a totally different set of drivers in each of the operating systems is synchronizing with the dock. So it takes a few seconds for that to happen. Once it does though, your screens will refresh. And there you have it. Hope you enjoy using your Targus Universal Dock.